When you talk about your father's Zionism, was that something that he talked about in the home with you kids?
Yeah. I mean, we were very imbued in Zionism when I was, I guess, 7 or 8. I started to go. Well, first of all, I went to a yeshiva. I went to Ramaz when I was 6 or 7 years old. For elementary school, and then we went to a Hebrew-speaking camp, Masad. And that camp was, you had to speak Hebrew all day long. And to the extent that you could speak Hebrew, you were awarded an ayin for Ivrit. And at the end of the summer, if you spoke enough, had enough ayins, you actually got a little pin that had an ayin on it. And I remember one time, I did not speak sufficient. I just spoke a lot of English, whatever, kids, whatever. And however, I spoke in my sleep. And I spoke Hebrew in my sleep. So the counselors woke me up and said, "You're going to get an ayin for that."